Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create your account on TokenPocket. So first of all, launch TokenPocket application. Once you come here, you'll see the option of No Accounts, Create Now. Tap on it. Now from here, you can choose any of these three options: HD wallet, multi-sig wallet, hardware wallet, or you can choose any single networks from here. I'm going to choose Bitcoin. Now on top, tap on Create Wallet. Now from here, you can set wallet name. Then start by setting a password for your account. Then re-enter your password. So under the category of hint, this step is optional. After this, make a selection on this circle. Then tap on Create Wallet. Make sure you go through all these details. Then tap on Understood. So with that, you will successfully be able to create your account on TokenPocket. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.